Today, we delve into the current storm brewing as OpenAI faces potential legal breaches during its discussions to partner with the crypto initiative WorldCoin. This situation highlights critical concerns surrounding the ethical use of sensitive data and AI's adherence to stringent privacy laws. In Europe, the Austrian advocacy group None of Your Business, also known as NOYB, has filed a formal complaint against OpenAI. They allege that the AI company has failed to comply with the European General Data Protection Regulation, known as GDPR, primarily concerning data accuracy and transparency. This comes from worries that there is an issue to do with users' fundamental rights. Imagine querying an AI about personal details and receiving false information. This is the reality that sparked the complaint by NOYB. The group highlighted a case where an unidentified public figure received incorrect data from ChatGPT, and OpenAI's refusal to correct this data exemplifies a direct violation of GDPR laws. This failure to ensure accuracy and transparency is troubling, considering the vast reach of AI technologies today. ChatGPT, like many AI systems, sometimes hallucinates, a term used when AI fabricates information. This can be a quirky error when asking about the weather on Mars, but when it involves personal data, the stakes are significantly higher. Misinformation can have real-world consequences, stressing the need for AI systems to adhere to facts and provide avenues for correction. Under GDPR, data about individuals must not only be accurate, but also verifiable. OpenAI's current model, which does not consistently guarantee factual correctness, raises alarms. How can such technologies be compliant if they inherently risk violating privacy rights? This is the question at the heart of the legal battles OpenAI now faces. Internationally, the implications of OpenAI's challenges are vast. From Italy to Argentina, regulatory bodies are critically assessing AI's impact on privacy and misinformation. Italy's bold move to temporarily block ChatGPT sets a precedent. It underscores the urgent need for a cohesive regulatory framework to manage the global influence of AI technologies. Looking forward, the AI landscape is rapidly evolving, and the legal frameworks that govern it must keep up. The recent introduction of the AI Act by the EU is a step towards addressing these pressing issues. But as AI capabilities expand, so does the complexity of ensuring these systems are beneficial and non-intrusive. The ongoing investigations and legal challenges are a testament to the delicate balance that must be struck. As we've seen today, the intersection of AI technology and law is fraught with complexities. The challenges that OpenAI faces are not just about one company or one technology. They represent a broader dialogue about the future of technology and privacy. Will OpenAI navigate these turbulent waters successfully, or will these challenges redefine how AI companies operate? Thank you for watching. For more in-depth analyses on cutting-edge topics, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.